use class kick to assign the assignments and check the students' work in real time. Type class kick in the Google search and click on this link. Click on sign up for free and then type in your details and log into the account. Once you log in, this is your dashboard. To create a new assignment, click on plus button, the green button here. You can either create a new blank assignment or create from a file. Let's see how to create the new blank assignment. Click on blank assignment and you have 3 slides mentioned here. Depends on you if you want 3 or if you want just 1 slide. You can delete the other slides. This way, type the name of the assignment here, type the description here. Once you have typed the name and the description, you can click on the slide to edit the slide. You can add a background if you want. You can choose the box for maths. If the assignment is math assignment, you can use this grid option, or blank. If you want a Venn diagram, you can use this Venn diagram option or the tabular option you have, and different templates are available here. I'm going to use a blank template, and next, and here you can add the text box, name, and date, and you can also type the lesson objective. Next, you can insert an image either by clicking on this button and upload from the computer, or you can copy and paste the image from Google. I'm going to copy this image, right click, copy, and come back to the worksheet and Control and V to paste. And then you can resize it. And done. So once you're done with your worksheet, you can assign the points. Maybe I'm going to give here 10 points. And you can go back. Now select the subject and grade. Science and grade 2. Alright, once it is done, now click on, you need to assign this assignment. Click on assign, and here click on assign a rooster, and then type the name of this assignment. Create a rooster and type the name of the assignment was body parts grade 1. You can choose the color if you want it red or pink or yellow. I'm going to give it yellow and click on OK. Alright, and make sure the helpers option is off. So in case this is on, the students will be able to see others' work and will be able to give feedback to them or answer their questions. So instead, it's better to keep this off, or if you want them to help others, you can turn it on. You can keep the grades on, and here, okay, it shows the view. Once the students start answering, you can see their work over here. Okay, how do we assign this? You can click on this link here, copy this link, and you can send it in the chat box to the students, or you can assign it in the assignments either in Google Classroom or on Teams, or you can assign this as a asynchronous assignment. This is students view, and here students get the code, and all they have to do is type their name. For example, I'm going to type the name as A, B, and C and click on go. And I have this slide here. So this is students view. Students can click on the text box, they can use the text box, they can change the color of their writing, they can type the names of the parts here. Alright, and next, once they're done with all the work, they can click on this button here, raise hand, that says please check. Done. Or they can also type a message here. And then next, let's see the teacher's view now. And here under view work, you can see that a child has answered. You can click on the student's work and you can check the work. You have the pencil option, you can give a tick. Alright, and if you want to give a feedback, click on the star sticker option. You can add a sticker and edit the name. Okay, you can give a feedback here and then click on save. I'm going to use the feedback that is available here. Once you click on it, click here or paste it wherever you want. Done. So this is how you can check the student's work in real time. Once you're done, on the thumbnail you can see your sticker. Alright, and the child can see that too. This feedback is here. As you're checking the student's work, you can also click on this hand raise button to check if the student has sent any message, and you can reply over here saying checked, or you want to give a feedback, you can give it over here and click and enter. And at the same time, the child will be able to see the reply. So now let's see how to assign the assignment from a file. I can click on the plus button, create from a file, and then look for the file, select the file that you want and click on OK, and then here you can select the section of the question and then click on next. Right, click on next and then click on finish. The assignment is created. Now here you can, the same procedure applies here. Type the name of the assignment, description, and then click on assign. Once you're done typing, click on the subject and click on assign. Click on add rooster, new rooster. You can type the name here, addition. Click on OK. And then click on view work to check the student's work. Or if you want to give the link, click on the link and assign it to the students. To go to the previous assignment, click on the home button here, and this way you can check all the different assignments that have been created. I can go back to the previous assignment. If you want to go back and check the student's work again, you can come here. You want to edit and you want to add new slide, you can do that. You can click on plus. So this is all about class kick, how to give an assignment and how to check the student's work in real time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.